Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a full 2025 guide on how to use Notion for screenwriting. Our first step is setting up your workspace. In Notion, this is like your creative playground of ideas. Create a new page and title it with the name of your screenplay. This sets the stage for your script, and it's important because it gives you a dedicated space to structure and build your story. Now that we've done that, let's build our character database. This is crucial as it will store all the details about your characters. To do this, click on the plus new page button, select Table, and start populating the table with your character's details. The reason we do this is to keep track of character development and relationships, which are key elements in storytelling. Next up, we create a scene list. Go back to your main page, add a new table, and title it Scenes. This helps us because it allows us to visualize the sequence of events, making it easier to rearrange scenes and maintain continuity in our narrative. All right, moving on to the fourth step. We're going to create a mood board. Click on the plus new page button, select Gallery, and start adding images that inspire your screenplay. Let me explain why this matters. A mood board helps you visualize the aesthetic and tone of your screenplay, maintaining consistency throughout the script. Finally, let's create a revision history. This is as simple as creating a new table on your main page and logging your edits every time you make a change. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By keeping a record of your revisions, it's easier to track progress and revert changes if needed. And that's it. With these steps, you've set up a comprehensive, organized workspace for screenwriting in Notion. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your creative process and make your screenwriting journey more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing.